Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This is what the dam looked like on 11/21. That was the first time that I saw that they were doing any work on it. They have come a long way. They went after it with backhoes mounted with hydraulic jackhammers and busted up a lot of concrete. The Gull Lake Dam Association has their act together. They have a permit for the dam repair, WRP 021354V.1. Site name 39-Gull Lake Dam Hickory Corners. Date issued March 16th, 2020. Expiration date March 18th, 2022. Part 31, Floodplain, Regulatory Authority of the Water Resources Protection. Part 301, Inland Lakes and Streams. Part 315, Dam Safety. The permit allows them to reconstruct the existing principal spillway of the Gull Lake Dam, Dam ID number 565, temporarily draw down Gull Lake by a maximum of 1 foot vertical below the normal summer level, install approximately 144 feet of steel sheet piling, remove and replace the existing concrete spillway, install of new weir gates, place approximately 34 cubic yards of fill during spillway reconstruction and grading of the earthen embankments, and install a catwalk and safety fencing. No wetland impacts are authorized by this permit. Stream flows shall be maintained via permanent and construction cofferdams throughout the construction process. To be conducted at property located at Kalamazoo County, Water Body, Gull Lake, Section 19, Town 01S, Range 09W, Ross Township. Nice big cofferdam up there holding the water back. Sure have knocked out a lot of concrete. That's the old dam gate. Done a lot of work on that. Busted out a chunk of concrete. That's a bunch of water coming out of there. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.